I know I'm looking really weird, so do my nails. So let's do them. I'm getting ready for the new week. It's on a Sunday. That's why I have my heatless curls on. Now, it's on, is it 8th or 10th or 9th? I'm not quite sure, of February. So I want to do some Valentine's Day inspired nails. This is the poll that I put out on Instagram, and y'all chose number 3. I was leaning towards number 4 or number 2, but we're going with what you choose, okay? So if you do not follow me over on Instagram, you're missing a lot, okay? So I'm going to try as much as I can. I'm a beginner in this, okay? So if they do not come out exactly as number 3, please remember I'm a beginner, okay? Yeah, I'm also excited because I'm testing out the kit that I got from Kilimall. If you didn't watch the unboxing video that I had like 2 weeks ago, make sure you watch it. I'll link it up here and in the description box. I got like really some cute stuff on there. I got it for like 850 Kenyan shillings, and I'm putting it to test today. That's why I'm really excited. So before we get into the video, kindly consider subscribing down below, giving this video a thumbs up. It's really good to have you right here, and I would like to have you again, okay? Yeah, so let's get into the video. This is how my nails were looking before I had just prepped them. So let's use this glue. It's the Max Bond, and I'm going to be applying just a tiny bit amount onto the nail and then attaching it to my own nail. I had done all the picking out of the nails prior to this. I already know my sizes since I've been doing this for the last 2 or 3 times, and then I'm going to trim where I want my nails to get just a little bit higher than I want it, just in case I get to file and I want to take in a little bit. And then I'm now going to file. Honestly, I filed and filed and filed. This step takes me like 2 or 3 or even 4 hours just to perfect the shape and blend in my nail. So I used the I think it's called a grill. I'm not sure what it is called, but this tool right here to make sure that it's blended to my nail, and then I apply acetone so that the plastic melts into my nail, and I go back and file and file. This is the other hand, and I made sure they look really nice, and I think I nailed the shape on this almond. I'm not a fan of almond, but lately I love them so much. I feel like they fit my nails so much, and as I said, this is usually a very hard task for me, and it takes me a while, and I make sure that I have a new nail file when I'm doing this. Just pick that shape. Honestly, it is so pretty. So this is the entire process that I go through when I'm filing my nail. This is just one of the nails, and honestly, this is fast forwarded I think like 3 times or 4 times, I'm not sure. So imagine how long it takes me to shape one nail. And then I go in with the grill. I'm not sure what it's called. Yeah, with that, and I use this bit right here, and it kind of works, but not perfectly. I wouldn't say that this is the perfect one to use, but it is doing the job. It blended in my nails so well, and it made sure that they look like my natural nails, because at the end of the day you'll find out that these nails looked amazing. They looked like they were growing out of my fingers, and it made them look so beautiful and so natural, and it made me have a clean base before I even get started. And again, make sure you add acetone so that that plastic melts into your natural nail and they look like one, and they will not end up lifting. So after filing, I went ahead, added up my base coat. So this is the Roniki base coat, and I've been loving this product lately. It is so nice. I went ahead and cured that for 90 seconds. And the thing with this is that it leaves a sticky I think a sticky layer, and then I went with Aroniki gel. I'm not sure which color this is, but it looks so natural. I love it so much. I applied only one coat of this and went directly into the artwork, and let me tell you, the double French the double French was so hard, but I managed. Now I'm on to the swirl lines on my ring finger, and this was not that hard after I figured it out. I used this tiny brush over here and it worked wonders. This right here is a favorite. I won't lie, it's a favorite. It made my work so much easier. Now for the artwork, I went with 2 coats because the color that I was using, it's really light. Now as I was curing the ring finger, I made sure to work on my index finger, and I was doing a flower on my index finger. And this flower, when I say it came out looking so beautifully, I did. Now on the left side I did an offside flower, and on the right side I did a central flower, and then I went ahead, added my rhinestones. Now I didn't have the exact ones as the inspo, but I just added some rhinestones, moved them around as I wanted, and then I made sure that I cured these very well, because it's very easy for rhinestones to come out. And then I went ahead, added my Roniki top coat. When I say this top coat cures so well, it sticks so well. I love this top coat. Honestly, yeah, it's the only top coat I've used, so I obviously love it so much. And this is how they turned out on the left side. Now it was time to do my right side, which was not as hard as I thought it would be. And these are my nails. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think.